Stuck-at-home profits. Andie Brocklehurst. Stuck-at-home profits. Stuck-at-home profits, 6 fast ways to start generating real spendable income while stuck at home using nothing but your internet access and some clever thinking. Here's 6 quick and easy ways that ordinary people have used to make $50, $100 a day from home, starting with little or no money. It's still not too late to start a profitable side hustle or even a full-time hustle in this time of economic uncertainty. 6 simple ways to start earning online, starting with little or no money. In this report, I immediately get down to brass tacks, showing you exactly what to do, how to do it, and why. It's also very simple and easy to read. With less than 50 pages, you can read it in one sitting this evening and start using the information to make money tomorrow. Yes, you read that right. In less than 1 hour, you'll immediately get all the strategies I've personally used to make money from the comfort of my home. Stuck-at-home profits. Here's just some of what you'll find inside this report. A dead simple strategy that allows you to make money fast and easy, with no skills and no experience. It's so simple, I'm sure even a 5th grader can make a decent income with this method. 5 popular websites that allow you to implement the strategy mentioned above even faster and much easier. I bet you visit one of these websites quite often. However, you are not aware there's an opportunity to earn a steady flow of income from this website. 12 things to pay close attention to that most people consider as unimportant. They are not. The truth is, you can actually use them to start a successful business with no money. How to uncover the goldmine in the online business industry, which experienced online entrepreneurs consider as the fastest way to start making money online. Here's another secret: for most people without any professional skills, it requires years until they can jump into this opportunity. But I'll show you how to get started today with no skills and experience. Exactly how to ensure you can earn a steady flow of income and make people keep coming back to you to buy what you're selling. Discover the exact strategy to get money flowing in every month without having to do anything. It's the exact method to earn at least $50 a week passively. The step-by-step to get started into an extremely lucrative industry. You won't immediately get rich, of course, but as you gained more experience, it's possible to earn huge profits with this business model. How to profit from people who don't have the patience to get what they need. Again, this is a dead simple strategy you can implement right away with literally $0. Hint: what they need is actually available for free, and you can get it quickly and easily. The perfect profitable business model for artsy people. If you're a creative person who loves creating deal stuff, you can turn your passion into a profitable online business. This is the right method to do it. The ridiculously easy way to earn profit by simply introducing 2 people to each other. If you're good at networking, this could be your easy opportunity to achieve massive success. Stuck-at-home profits. Andie Brocklehurst. Stuck-at-home profits.